So it's cloudy out here. I got the bird right here on camera. I just felt a raindrop coming from one of these clouds. I think it's gonna rain, so you already got a raindrop. Oh, damn. Hang on, boy. Hang on. I gotta hurry up and get the dog in the house. I gotta put the camera down, guys. I'll put y'all in my pocket. I feel a raindrop on me right now, guys. That's why I had to put y'all in my pocket. I had to put y'all in my pocket. Come on. Come on, boy. We're going. We're going back in the house. But you know what? Because it's about to rain. Hang on, guys. Yeah, I got this guy with me. Oh, yeah, we'll come back in. Sorry about that, guys. I had to put y'all in my pocket. Because I had to get the dog in. Because it was about to rain. As you could tell at the beginning of the video. Let's see. Nope, none got on the lens. That's good. It's crazy too. But anyway, Merry Christmas, guys. That's what I was just about to say. So yeah, Christmas is almost here. 3 days, guys. 3 days. 25th in 3 days. Can y'all manage to hang on for that long? Because tomorrow I'll be putting a vlog out. And I don't know about Thursday and Friday yet. So we'll see about that. But anyway, Merry Christmas, guys. And I'll see y'all evidently after Christmas, I guess. Alright, guys. Later.